9KBP. Smaller than I thought.
Yeah, it's nice and tight in the packaging.
Yeah, it looks good.
It's all bolted.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul. In today's video, we're gonna go pick up a new two-post hoist to add to our garage. So let's go get it. All right, so I just picked up my buddy Bill's open flatbed trailer. That's certainly going to make things a lot easier for loading purposes. And yeah, that's it. I'm just on my way to Atlas, Canada now. So I'll see you guys when I get there. Get to Atlas here, and of course, it's pouring rain. But what are you going to do? We're going to load it up. I'm going to get soaked, but it is what it is. Smaller than I thought.
Yeah, it's nice and tight in the packaging.
Yeah, it looks good.
It's all bolted.
All right, thanks, brother.
No problem.
Thanks, man. All right, so we're all loaded up. I got 3 straps on the hoist, so we should be good to go. Time to head home. So we made it home safe. I'm just gonna start to unload whatever I can on my own, but thought I'd show you the current garage setup, and I'm gonna make some changes, so I was just actually looking for some input. Here's the current garage setup. 2.5 on this side, large single on that side. I got the 4-post currently over there, but I was thinking about moving it over here on this side, and then where Rocky is, maybe put the 2 posts right beside it. That's gonna free up that bay there, and I can squeeze the pickup truck in. Not 100%. The other thought I had was maybe take the 4-post, put it on this side, put the 2-post where the 4-post is, and then just leave this guy here empty. The truck can fit in here as well, but it's a little tighter fit. Not exactly sure. I guess I kind of have to move things around and see how it looks and spacing and whatnot. So curious what you guys think. You think it'll work with the 4 and the 2 right here side by side, or should I split it up and put the 2 posts there and the 4 over here? Let me know what you guys think. Well, that's as far as I go for unloading on my own. I was going to try and unload everything from the hoist, then knock the posts over on its side and unbolt them, and then see if I could shim them into the garage. But that stack there is much heavier than I anticipated, so I'm going to need a second set of hands to get that done. That's it for today, guys. I got it all tarped up. I'm trying to protect it, of course, as much as I can from the rain until I get it moved into the garage and set up. Of course, there's going to be another video to follow with the final setup, so that will obviously come somewhere down the line. That said, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. You know we appreciate you watching our channel, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.